Good morning, everyone! This is your teacher, Sam, and welcome to our virtual class. Watch closely and listen carefully to our lesson for today. Are you ready? Let's go! Our lesson for today is about comparing numbers from 1 to 10 and 0. Pairing tells us if the two numbers are equal, unequal, greater, or smaller. Look at this example. There are 3 tables and there are 3 chairs. The number of tables and the number of chairs are equal. 3 is equal to 3. Now let's practice the word. Say the word equal. 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 Perfect. Now look at the picture. We have here 4 balls and there are 3 spoons. The number of balls and the number of spoons are unequal. Therefore, 4 is unequal to 3. Let's practice the word. Say the word unequal. Unequal. One more time. Unequal. Perfect. We also learned greater and smaller. Greater or greater than, meaning it has a bigger number. For example, 10 is greater than 9. Look at the example. There are 4 bowls and there are 3 spoons. There are more bowls than spoons. Therefore, 4 is greater than 3. Let's practice the word greater than. Greater than. One more time. Greater than. Perfect. Smaller or smaller than, meaning it has smaller number. For example, 9 is smaller than 10. Here is the example. There are 4 bowls and there are 3 spoons. There are fewer spoons than bowls. Therefore, 3 is smaller than 4. Let's practice the word smaller or smaller than. Smaller than. One more time. Smaller than. Perfect. Now that we have reviewed how to use equal, unequal, smaller than, and greater than, let's practice. 7 and 7 is equal or unequal? You're right! It's equal because they have the same number. 5 and 4. Is it equal or unequal? Good job! It's unequal because they don't have the same number. 10 and 0. Is it equal or unequal? Amazing! It's unequal. Now let's complete the sentence. Answer if it's greater or smaller. 5 is blank than 7. Is it greater or smaller? You're right! 5 is smaller than 7. 9 is blank than 4. Is it greater or smaller? Very good! 9 is greater than 4 because 9 is bigger than 4. You're right! One is blank than 10. Is it greater or smaller? Well done! 1 is smaller than 10. Now that we have reviewed how to use equal, unequal, greater, and smaller than, let's answer our activity book. Please open your book on page number 28, 29, and 30. Page 28. Number 1. Look at the pictures. Write numerals and circle equal or unequal. Example number 1. There are 2 bananas and 4 monkeys. Please write number 2 and number 4. 2 is equal or unequal to 4? The answer is unequal because they don't have the same number. 2 is unequal to 4. Page 29. Look at the pictures. Write numerals and circle greater or smaller. Example number 1. There are 3 bones and 5 dogs. Please write number 3 and number 5. Is 3 greater or smaller than 5? The answer is smaller because 3 is smaller than 5. Page 30. Number 3. Look at the pictures. Write numerals that satisfy the equality or inequality. Number 1. There are 7 triangles and 5 circles. There are fewer circles than triangles, or there are more triangles than circles. Let's put it in numerals. 5 is smaller than 7, or 7 is greater than 5. Page 30. Number 4. Write greater than, smaller than, or equal to. For example, number 1, we have here 3 and 5. Let's complete the sentence. 3 is smaller than 5. Now please do the rest. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you had a great time learning with me today, and see you again to our next class. Goodbye!